Go fast, fast, fast.
There's a big hill coming up.
I know the hill.
Time for a new
I did this one.
Good job.
I got this. So wobbly. Why this wobbly?
Got it, girlfriend.
It's like all uphill. You got it. Go that way. Yep. Good job. Left, B.
I got it.
Okay.
Use those leg muscles.
Ew. Muscles are not that strong. I'll push help. Magic will help. Sometimes it slows down. Hello, push. I don't want to do this.
You see Park?
Keep going.
There you go. You're going straight. You don't want to go down the stairs.
Why not?
This bumpy one.
You pick which way you want to go.
That one.
Stay on the
Okay.
right sidewalk.
Or, yep, just keep going this way actually, okay? To your right.
I can't go the white one.
So we're going to go this way.
I just have to go around. Oh, push.
There's a guy there with one of those big mouth cameras.
My brake.
Keep going.
Keep going. We can go park it by the swings.
Okay.
Okay. Unless you want to keep riding it, we can keep going down the path. Want to do that?
Let's do the path and then we
You want to
can
keep riding or playground?
Playground first.
Alright, then stop right here on the blue. On the blue, baby.
Oh, okay.
Brakes, B. There you go. Good job.
That's good.
Remember, share the road. Watch what you're doing. Remember, go to your right. Slow down.
Uh-huh.
You gotta hit your brakes, silly. Hit your brakes. Hit your brakes, B.
I did.
Yep, keep hitting it. Keep hitting your brakes. There you go. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting your brakes, B. Turn. Good job.
No.
Yep, there you go.
This will make you go fast.
It does make you go fast. And we're gonna go right over here.
Let's turn the cars. The cars.
Good job. Yep, go right. Good job. I'll watch for cars, okay? And go find Mama. You see her?
Yeah. Let's speed up. Coming. Okay.
You got it. Grass, okay?
Okay.
Remember, go straight. I'll push you through the grass, okay? Go straight. Be this way. Go, go, go. Alright. Over here. Alright, stop. Alright, get off. Go around up the hill with the camera.
Okay.
I got it, go.
Wait.
B, just keep it on.
No, run up the hill with the camera. Pick a spot for us.
It's way here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let my helmet off.
You just ride a bike.
I can't because Winter's not pushing me.
The wind's not pushing yet.
Hey, wait!
Slow down.
Show me how you go super fast.
Oh, yeah? This is my super fast one. Wait, there's something! Okay, I do it.
You don't throw trash on the ground.
Did I do it? I did. Ah, my bike! It's on the leaves. It's on the leaves. I did do the pedals. This is my fast speed.
Go.
You gotta go to the left, okay?
I know.
This way. Remember, it's a hill, so you gotta slow down. Good job. Slow down.
There you go, just coast.
You don't have to pedal, just coast. Slow down. Good job.
Coast, coast,
Slow
coast.
down and turn. Slow down and turn. Slow down and turn. There you go.
Alright, don't pedal. Just go.
Good job. Brakes. Brakes, B.